Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm showing you how to fix Minecraft crashing with mods. So guys, we will use a certain mod for this actually that will help us. So type in CurseForge in here on your Google search, go to the website, and now you need to browse the mods for our Minecraft. There you go. Now browse all, and in here you choose which mod loader you have. For example, I have Forge. And then you choose mods under filters, and in the search you type in not enough crashes. Press on enter. Now download this mod right here. Press on download. Alright, so this is the mod. It's now downloaded, and now open up your folder with your Minecraft mods. You type in your run command percentage app data percentage. Go here. Now go to Minecraft and go to the mods folder right here. And now this file, just simply take it and drag it into the mods folder. All right, like this. And now we have our file in here. And after that, just make sure to launch the game so that this mod gets loaded as well. And this should now fix your crashing issues. Guys, if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it, and see you in the next video.